this game looks so fun. I'll ask my mommy if I can play it on the iPad later. And wowie, look, they are almost to 45K likes. All the vehicles in this game are so funny. I wonder what this game will be like in the future.
Hello, everybody. 2023 has officially come and gone. Today, we are going to have a look back on all of the additions and changes that we have received this year. I am really impressed with how much this amazing game has evolved and how it has supported our channel's growth as well. So join me today as we hit the rewind button for the 2023 season and find out what will come in 2024. Let's start with limited vehicles. The earliest of 2023 are the vehicles from the Easter egg hunt event. You obtained these by collecting eggs that randomly fell out of the sky, and getting the vehicles were down to luck. You can see that even back in Easter, the quality and detail of vehicles were not even close to now. Next there was the limited 4th of July tractor. This tractor is a reskin of the John Deere WA14, but somehow even more American. Then there's the 2 Halloween vehicles. The Very Scary Camper was available as a scavenger hunt, while the Ecto 2 was a limited vehicle. The camper has a special feature. And finally, there's the Christmas vehicles. All 4 of these were limited in the shop this Christmas. There's the Rudolph Roadster, Santa's Sleigh, Snoopy's Doghouse, and some lame Christmas tree flatbed. And that's all the holiday event vehicles. I wanted to highlight them because they are probably never coming back again. But there is one more limited, this terrifying little yikes. It's a very rare version of the Peel P50 that was only available for a short time. How is it doing that? Does it have a mind of its own? Help! Now, let's take a moment to look at the most important features added in 2023. First, we are going to start with probably the most important by far, that being deliveries. Deliveries were extremely game-breaking when they were added, because they gave players something to do for the first time other than drive around aimlessly. They were also the first money-making option in the game, which would also be very big. Deliveries also gave way to trailers. Look at Pixel go with his epic big rig. Another big addition was the dealership. This gave players a reason to use their money, and it featured very cool cars that were modeled by ePix 7 instead of being stolen off the internet. Eventually, the vehicle shop would become the basis for main game vehicles, while original free models begin to get phased out. And finally, one of the most innovative additions was farming. Farming took a very long time for the devs to work out, but when they did, it opened a whole new player base for the community to enjoy. It was also a very interactive and unique new job that included many new implements and features. There is probably still more to come with farming, so I'm excited to see what the next harvest brings. Now, we are going to talk to some of the amazing people who make this community possible. I appreciate y'alls for showing up on my goofy channel so I can interview you. First, let's interview my own part-time editor Pixel. Thank you all for the interviews. Anyways, that's it for my recap. I think 2023 was an amazing year for this game. I can't wait to see what happens in 2024. If you want to keep up with Off-Roading Epic in 2024, make to subscribe for more content. Otherwise, goodbye, and thank you.